Welcome to my Hostgator versus Hostgator comparison review video. Now it's going down. We will compare Hostgator versus Hostgator, what is the difference and the truth behind which one you should pick to make a informed purchase decision. So we will go and check out what Hostgator and Hostgator has to offer us at what pricings. So if we look at Hostgator, they have Hatchling Baby Business. Hatchling for $275. You get one single website, WordPress install, whatever, unmetered bandwidth, that's good, SSL and domain. Hostgator, what do you get for 99 cents? You also get one website, you get some limited storage, at least here. You get one email, free SSL, but no domain. Oh, you get 100 gigabytes of bandwidth, so that's pretty much, I will say. But if we jump up to one tier to 219, we have 100 websites, so that's unlimited. We have free SSL, free domain, ads credit, bandwidth, and everything that Hatchling offers. But Hostgator is cheaper. Now, what is the difference between Hatchling and Baby at Hostgator? The only difference that I can see is that instead of one website, you have unlimited websites. So if we are to make a proper comparisons, I would say that the Baby should be compared to the premium shared hosting. And then you have a big difference in the price, $350 to $219 per month, stacked over 4 years. That's a big difference. But let's not just take my word for anything. Let's check Trustpilot and see what kind of reviews these websites have. So if we go to hostgator.com, we get 3.3 in reviews. It's pretty average, and 53% in bad, so people don't seem to be so satisfied with Hostgator, and I think I understand, because I believe they are a part of Bluehost, which them as well is kind of bad, 2.7. But if we go to Hostgator, for example, to check out what people think about that, you get 4.4, an excellent score, and people love this hosting company. And I can attest, because I have Hostgator as well, and just by demonstrating one of my websites, howtoeditvideos.com, what kind of page speed scores you can get when you create websites with them or migrate over to them, because this site started at Bluehost. I moved it over to Hostgator, and I have a mobile page score of 76, and on Bluehost, for example, I never came over 43, no matter which cache plugin I use, no matter how lean I built my website, it just did not happen. So based on these comparisons, the reviews from Trustpilot and the pricing, I will argue that Hostgator is the clear winner and the clear choice for you to choose if you are considering between these two specific hosting providers. Now, I hope this video was helpful, and if you are interested in learning how to make a WordPress website, I have a free 10-part course. I will link it in the description below. Make sure to check it out if you are interested in building out your website. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time.